Hello my dear students and welcome to my easy maths class. Today I am starting a very interesting chapter, very interesting topic of mathematics, trigonometry. All of you know there is a vast field in trigonometry because of its vast implementation in engineering, in physics. Trigonometry is being used nowadays everywhere, you can say, every field. It is very, very important. Okay, just see, the very first point is, what does the word trigonometry mean actually? Trigonometry means metron, means tri means 3, gon means angle, metron means measurement. Okay, try to understand. Trigonometry, tri means 3, gon means angle and metron means measurement. So trigonometry is the discussion about the relation of angle and side of a right angle triangle. Trigonometry is the discussion about the relation of angle and side of a right angle triangle, isn't it? Okay, let's draw a right angle triangle first. Say this one is a right angle triangle. Say this one is A, B, C. Okay, I am taking another point here. Say this one is M, N. And say another point here, say this one is P, Q. So altogether 3 right angle triangles have been found. One is MBN, another ABC, another PBQ, isn't it? One amazing thing that can be noticed is that, say, ratio of, all of you know this one is perpendicular base hypotenuse. So ratio of, say, perpendicular by, that is base, it means MN by BN, AC by BC and PQ by BQ. Here it is perpendicular by base. You will notice one thing, MN by BN from the right angle triangle MBN, AC by BC from the right angle triangle ABC, and PQ by BQ from the right angle triangle PBQ, all are same. Irrespective of any measurement of length, the ratio have to be same. All the ratios have to be same. So one thing is clear, this ratio doesn't depend on the size or the measurement of the length. It depends on this particular angle. Here the angle is, say, ABC, or the angle is B, you can say. This angle is obviously acute angle of right angle triangle, this angle is acute angle, isn't it? Similarly, another ratio can be found, say, perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is that? Here it is MN by BM. Then for next triangle ABC, AC by AB, and this one is PQ by PB. All these ratios are same. But you know that MB is not equals to AB, not equals to PQ, or not equals to PB, like this. So ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse here don't depend on the size of perpendicular and hypotenuse, depends on the angle. This particular angle, angle B. Similarly, ratio of say base and hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse. Here it is for first angle. This one is BN by BM. BN by BM is equal to BC by AB is equal to BQ by BP. Okay. Here also it will be found that ratio of base and hypotenuse in all the cases same. Here also ratio don't depend on the size of the or the measurement of the length of the perpendicular base, hypotenuse, etc., etc. Depends on the angle. So we have found 6 ratios, isn't it? Since angle is same, all the ratios are same here. MBN, one right angle triangle, ABC, another right angle triangle, PBQ, another right angle triangle. Only one thing is similar is that angle B is same. Okay. Now, if we consider these ratios like sine, say angle B, or in short we can write, say this one is theta. We are considering this one as theta. Similarly, so perpendicular, do one thing, I am writing here, just see, sine angle B, that is sine theta, since theta is being considered here, means first perpendicular by hypotenuse, okay, and then cosine of angle B, that is cos theta, it will be base by hypotenuse, and tangent of angle B, here it is tan theta, which will be perpendicular by base. So these ratios can be considered as sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, isn't it? These are called trigonometric ratios of this angle. What angle here? Angle B. Here angle B is being considered as theta, right? Now sine of this angle means ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse, cos of this angle means ratio of base and hypotenuse, and tangent or tan of this angle means ratio of perpendicular and base. So 3 trigonometrical ratios have been found: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, where theta is angle B here. Okay, I will be back soon. Okay, so far we have come to know about sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, where theta is this acute angle, isn't it? Now reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular, and then sec theta reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse by base, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that is base by perpendicular. Okay, so we have come to know about 6 trigonometrical ratios. One is sine of this angle, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Reciprocal is cos theta is sec theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Okay. Now the entire trigonometry, all the problems lie on these 6 ratios. Okay, first, before going to start, we need to know few relations. The very first relation is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Using Pythagoras theorem, this can be proved also. All of you know sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse, isn't it? In this way we can write like this: sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos means base by hypotenuse, that is equal to p square plus b square by e square, that is hypotenuse by hypotenuse, ultimately 1. Okay. In this way, other relations also can be proved. Right. Relation number 2, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Right. It means 1 plus tan square theta means 1 plus p square by b square. Right. So this one is coming like, all of you know b square, base square plus perpendicular square is hypotenuse square. So ultimately this one is coming as sec square theta. Okay. Similarly, another relation is 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Okay. Therefore, we can say 1 plus cot means base by perpendicular. So p square plus b square, that is hypotenuse square by, ultimately this one is coming as cosec square theta. Okay. Another relation is sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Same way, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. We can write like this: sin theta means sin theta by cos theta, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse and base by hypotenuse. Ultimately, we are finding perpendicular by base, that is tan theta. In the same way, cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Okay. Cos theta by sin theta means base by hypotenuse and perpendicular by hypotenuse, ultimately base by perpendicular, which is cot theta. So all the relations have been found, and here in a nutshell all the relations are being proved. Okay. So my dear students, my first suggestion is, since this one being the very first class of trigonometry, first try to understand what trigonometry is, and then try to know all these relations, all the ratios, what sin theta is, cos theta is, tan theta is, sec, cosec and cot theta is, and what are their relations. Because from our next class we are going to start lots of problems belong to trigonometry. Very, very interesting. But the only one condition, you need to know all the formulas. You have to remember it. Okay. So from our next class, we are going to start our journey towards trigonometry. Okay. Till then, goodbye.